Welcome back to Event of the Week.
So before we get into the next performance, we would request our chief guest of today's event, Dr. B.V. Pattabhiram sir, to kindly join us on the stage. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, put your hands together for the one and only Dr. B.V. Pattabhiram sir. We would also request Mrs. Pattabhiram, Madam, to kindly join us on the stage. Dr. Pattabhiram sir is a renowned psychologist with global expertise in child psychology, stress management, interpersonal relationships, and assertiveness. Dr. B.V. Pattabhiram sir is a psychologist with over 30 years of experience delivering success to individuals and organizations, and a magician of extraordinary caliber. He is a double postgraduate in psychology and philosophy and holds a PhD from Osmania University in philosophy and a PhD from Nagarjuna University in psychology. He has received numerous awards in India and abroad, such as Ugadi Puraskars, Kala Ratna, Hamsa Awards, honorary citizenship from mayors of Nashville, and many more. He was also felicitated by the presidents of India, Shri Shankar Dayal Sharma, Shri R. Venkatraman, and Dr. Abdul Kalam, for his outstanding works. He has transformed many lives using globally proven techniques coupled with his own approach of counseling. Once again, a very warm welcome to both of you. Thank you for joining us. We request all the directors also to kindly join us on the stage, please. Along with Mr. and Mrs. Sirish Turlapati, we would also request Mr. Rahul Appani. We would request Mr. Uday Reddy, Mr. Prasanna, Mrs. Sri Rajalakshmi, Mrs. Jyoti, Mrs. Anusha, Mr. Anudeep, Mrs. Gayatri, and Mrs. Shashikala. We request all of you to kindly join us on the stage and be a part of this fantastic felicitation ceremony. We would request the team to kindly hand over the mementos to Sir and Madam. Thank you so much once again, Pattabhiram Sir and Madam, for joining us. It's a great pleasure, it's a great honor for all of us. We're highly privileged to see you here on the stage for this special event of ours. Day 2, IRIS Annual Cultural Fest 2023, amidst our chief guests of today's event, Mr. and Mrs. Dr. Pattabhiram. So, let's click a quick group photograph and then, we'll request Mr. Sirish and Mrs. Radhika Turlapati to kindly hand over the most beautiful sapling from Iris Florets. So, మనం ఇప్పుడు Sir and Madam ni సన్మానం చేయబోతున్నాం amidst all the directors and all the teachers, all the students, all the parents of the cute kids. I would request the directors to kindly join us for the felicitation ceremony, please. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. So we'd request Dr. Pattabhiram sir to kindly say a few words on this special occasion. So marokkasari gatiga chapatlu sir kosam.
Thank you. Thank you very much for giving me this time to interact with you. I know it will be a disturbance to the parents. When I used to attend the programs of my grandchildren, the speakers used to take long time. Then we used to clap. When do you go? When do you go? So I don't want to do that. I appreciate the management of the school for doing this wonderful cultural program. This is very, very important for us. In India, 72% of the people have stage fear because in the schools they were not allowed to go to the dais and they can dare to talk to the teacher. But today, youngsters, they are participating and trainers like this, you are doing wonderful comparing, right? You're doing wonderful comparing. And I observed all the boys and girls, he is doing in his own way or watching the teacher. But everybody did excellent job. I really appreciate, and I thank the parents for sending your children. And when you go home, you watch all other programs also on your cell phone, right? Thank you very much. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much once again to all our directors and sir and madam for joining us on the stage. We would request you to kindly take your seats downstairs and enjoy the rest of the program of slot 1. Now the kids from the nursery Tarnaka branch are going to perform for all of us. Mrs. Avani being the in-charge teacher, they're going to perform on the Telugu medley songs. Are you all excited? Especially the parents of these particular kids. All the parents, please raise your hands up in the air. Oh, so you're all the parents of these cute kids. Very nice. So look at their attires. Style tha, kya swag tha, aur kya expressions the. Wow, Kabile Tareef. Thank you so much to all the teachers for making this happen. Now let's welcome HMT Shatavahana Juniors onto the stage. The in-charge teachers being Shalini ma'am, Adhya, Aradhya, Akshaya, Dhatri, Hanvisha, Jaswita, Ritvika, Shrisha, Ashrit, Adhav, Advait, Ayansh, Chetan, Idhyan, Kritik, Shanmukasai, Subhansh and Vishant are going to perform. Look at the attires of once more. That was a CT Mar performance by the boys and girls. OMG. Look at their swag, look at their style, look at their junoon. पूरे जोश के साथ क्या performance था, मजा ही आ गया. Thank you so much. Now we have amidst us the juniors from Matrushri Nagar. They're going to perform on the song Enjoy, Enjami and Mera Wala Dance. So the juniors from Matrushri Nagar Iris Florets branch are going to perform. So we'd request all the parents to kindly settle down and enjoy the next set of performances. So once this performance is done, you can come and collect your kids from the left-hand side of the stage. Positions and music. Again, a mind-boggling performance by the kids. They've nailed it. They remember all the steps, which is truly commendable. Thank you so much, teachers, for making this happen. Let's welcome the juniors from Mayuri Nagar branch. They're going to perform on India theme. So let's all welcome the kids once again with a huge round of applause.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you so much. Now I request the juniors and seniors from Srinagar Colony to kindly join us on the stage. Lakshmi, Mishti, Nivritya, Tanviya, Urvi, Midhuna, Krishvi, Vishnupriya, Fatima, Ravi, Sanvi, Shrinika, Gautam, Akshaya, Gautam Krishna, Vashishtha, Adhar, Arav, Ronit, Karti, Prathay, Shivansh, Dhruv, Devik, and Sharvil Joshi. Juniors and seniors from the Srinagar Colony branch are going to perform now. So this is going to be a folk dance. It is an essential part of our culture. They teach the history, traditions and values to people. They also help preserve the cultures and pass it on to the future generations. So the folk performance is going to be a super interesting performance of today's slot 1. The boys and girls are all decked up in beautiful saris and kurtas and whatnot. I can see everything on them. So beautiful, so beautiful. Performers on the stage.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
నీలంటాడు నాలంటాడో ఏడైనా ఉంటాడో ఆడలంటాడో ఎర్ర చందనం లాగా అరుదుగా ఉంటాడో.
గొర్రెలు కాసేనా కొడుకే గొడ్డలతో ఏం పనిరా?
వాళ్ళు గొర్రెలు కాసేదానికి వచ్చినారా, నేను పులొస్తే వేసేదానికి వచ్చిన. తగ్గేదేలే. చూసిందా ఒక్క దొరుకుడు చూడలే అమ్మి భలే హ్యాపీ ఉండదు దూరం నీక.
Mind-blowing, fantabulous performance. A big round of applause, my dear friends. Friends, ready for next performance from Tarnaka branch once again.
ప్రజా రక్షణలో ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి అందుబాటులో ఉంటూ 24 గంటలు పనిచేస్తున్న తెలంగాణ పోలీసుకి ఈ పాట అంకితం.
దిశ, టైం రాత్రి 2 అయిందమ్మా. ఇంకెప్పుడు వస్తావు ఇంటికి?
ఆఫీస్లో పనుండి లేట్ అయింది డాడీ. అయిపోగానే వచ్చేస్తాను.
నేను అడిగితే కాదంటావా?
హలో షీటీం.
Performances must say by all the boys and girls. ఎంత గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు కట్టినా తక్కువే. వీళ్ళందరికీ ఒకసారి గట్టిగా ఓ వేసుకుందాం అందరం కలిసి. Cheers.
Hi sir.
Hello.
Good name?
Mukund.
Mukund sir. Sir, your kid is studying in which class?
Srinagar Colony, PP1. He was
PP1.
studying. Yeah.
So how do you feel? This is the first time you are coming to
Yeah,
IFS?
ma'am.
Okay. So how do you feel, sir?
Very good, ma'am.
Okay. And by seeing your kid, how do you feel? Like how is your
I just want to see the experience right now. I will let you know once it's done.
No, like day-to-day life, like every day.
It's a remarkable, ma'am.
Like every day they are coming, they are saying rhymes or something like that. How do you feel? Like, are they growing up every day? How is the experience?
It's a remarkable experience. Yeah.
So how do you feel? How is the experience with the teachers?
Very good, ma'am.
Okay. సో ఇదండి ఇవాల్టి మన శిల్పారామంలో శిల్పకళా వేదికలో ఐరిస్ ఫ్లోరెట్స్ వాళ్ళు జరుపుకున్న ఈవెంట్ విశేషాలు. మరో ఈవెంట్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అంటిల్ దెన్ టేక్ కేర్. బాయ్.